Hey everyone, so if you want to create a resume on Zety for free, yeah, there's a specific way to do it without paying. I'll show you step by step how to build your resume and download it for free. First, go to the Zety website and click on Create Your Resume. This opens the resume builder where everything starts. Now, pick a resume template you like. Zety has a lot of professional templates, and all of them can be used inside the builder. Next, enter your details like name, contact info, experience, and education. Zety actually gives you pre-written suggestions, so yeah, you can just edit them to match your profile. Keep going through all sections: skills, summary, and extra details. The more complete your resume is, the better it will look. Okay, this is the important part. Zety is free to build your resume, but downloading as a PDF or Word file usually requires payment. However, you can download your resume as a text file for free. Now open that text file in Word or Google Docs, format it properly, and then save it as a PDF. This way, you get a fully free resume without paying. And that's it. That's how you use Zety for free without hitting the paywall. Just build it in Zety, download the text, and format it yourself.